Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola, the iconic soft drink, came into existence? It all began in the late 19th century, with a man named John Stith Pemberton, a pharmacist by profession. Pemberton was a man of many talents, but it was his creation of Coca-Cola that would cement his place in history. Originally, Coca-Cola wasn't the sugary, carbonated drink we know and love today. No, it was something entirely different. Believe it or not, it started its life as a medicinal tonic. Pemberton concocted this tonic in an effort to help people overcome their ailments, making it a health solution rather than a refreshing beverage. However, as the world evolved, so did Coca-Cola. It transformed from a medicinal tonic to a popular soft drink, finding its place in the hands of people seeking refreshment rather than relief from illness. The story of Coca-Cola is a remarkable tale of adaptability and resilience. From a medicinal tonic to the world's favorite fizzy drink, the journey of Coca-Cola is nothing short of fascinating. As we delve into the evolution of this iconic brand, let's rewind to the late 19th century. Concocted by a Civil War veteran and pharmacist, Dr. John Stith Pemberton, Coca-Cola began its life as a coca wine, intended for medicinal use. However, the Prohibition laws in Atlanta, Georgia, where it was created, soon prompted a shift to a non-alcoholic version. When Pemberton passed away, a shrewd businessman by the name of Asa Griggs Candler saw potential in this unique beverage. He bought the rights to Coca-Cola in the early 1890s, and that's when the real magic began. Candler was a marketing genius, pioneering innovative techniques to promote Coca-Cola. He distributed thousands of coupons for free glasses of the drink, and it was under his leadership that the first outdoor wall advertisement for Coca-Cola was painted. But Candler's most significant contribution was the introduction of the distinctive contour bottle. In 1915, the Coca-Cola Company invited glass manufacturers to design a new bottle that would be recognizable even in the dark. The winning design, inspired by the ribbed cocoa pod, became synonymous with Coca-Cola, instantly identifiable worldwide. Coca-Cola's popularity skyrocketed during World War II. The company pledged to supply every American service member with a bottle of Coca-Cola for 5 cents, regardless of where they were stationed. This led to the establishment of 64 Coca-Cola plants around the world, spreading the brand's reach like never before. By the end of the war, Coca-Cola had not only quenched the thirst of millions of soldiers, but also found its way into the hearts and homes of people in over 120 countries. The war had inadvertently turned this American soda into a global sensation. Coca-Cola's evolution is a testament to how a simple idea can transform into a global phenomenon. This fizzy drink has indeed evolved from a medicinal tonic to a symbol of American culture and global unity. However, the journey of Coca-Cola has not been without its share of controversies. The road has been bumpy, riddled with a few missteps and criticisms that have left their mark on the company's history. One such controversy that stands out is the New Coke debacle in the mid-80s. In an attempt to reinvigorate the brand and compete with its rival Pepsi, Coca-Cola decided to change its century-old secret formula. The result was a sweeter version of the beloved beverage dubbed New Coke. But the public response? Nothing short of a disaster. Loyal customers felt betrayed, and the outcry was so loud and clear that the company had to bring back the original formula, rebranded as Coca-Cola Classic, after just 79 days. Beyond product-related controversies, Coca-Cola has also faced allegations of unfair labor practices. From accusations of union-busting activities in Colombia and Guatemala, to charges of racial discrimination in the United States, these allegations have often put the company in a harsh spotlight. While Coca-Cola has consistently denied these claims, they have undeniably tarnished the company's reputation and raised questions about its commitment to ethical business practices. And then, there's the elephant in the room: the health effects of consuming Coca-Cola. The high sugar content, the presence of caffeine, and the potential for contributing to obesity and other health problems have led to widespread criticism. In recent years, the company has made efforts to address these concerns, introducing low-sugar and sugar-free alternatives and promoting more responsible consumption. These controversies have certainly cast a shadow over Coca-Cola's success, but they have also pushed the company to adapt and improve. Through each controversy, Coca-Cola has had to confront its shortcomings, learn from its mistakes, and strive to do better. A testament to the resilience and adaptability that has kept this iconic brand afloat for over a century. Despite the challenges, Coca-Cola continues to dominate the soft drink industry. This bubbly beverage, born in the late 19th century, is no stranger to the changing tides of time. Yet it maintains a firm grasp on its global market, a testament to the enduring appeal of its secret recipe. From the bustling metropolises of New York and Tokyo to the quiet villages of rural Africa, Coca-Cola is an integral part of the global beverage tapestry. The red and white logo, instantly recognizable, serves as a universal symbol of refreshment. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter evening, Coca-Cola is the chosen companion of many. The company's global presence, however, is not merely about selling fizzy drinks. They have made significant strides in their corporate responsibility efforts, understanding that their influence extends beyond the realm of refreshments. Coca-Cola is actively involved in numerous environmental and social initiatives, reinforcing their commitment to a sustainable future. In recent years, the company has taken notable steps towards reducing its environmental footprint. They have launched a World Without Waste initiative, aiming to recycle a bottle or can for each one they sell by 2030. They're also investing in renewable energy and water conservation projects, making a significant contribution towards a greener planet. Their social initiatives are equally commendable. Coca-Cola funds various programs that focus on education, health, and empowerment, particularly in underprivileged regions. They understand that their success is intertwined with the communities they serve, and they do their part to uplift these communities. Coca-Cola's journey has been anything but smooth. It has weathered storms, faced controversies, and navigated through changing consumer preferences. Yet it stands tall today, not just as a beverage giant, but also as a corporate entity striving to make a positive impact. Coca-Cola, a name that started as a medicinal tonic, now quenches the thirst of millions around the globe. It is a testament to the power of adaptability and the enduring appeal of a good taste. So the next time you pop open a can or twist off a bottle cap, remember, you're not just sipping a drink, you're part of a global story, a story that's still being written one sip at a time. The history of Coca-Cola is a roller coaster ride of triumphs and tribulations. A journey that starts with a humble syrup in the late 19th century, Coca-Cola has evolved into a global phenomenon. A symbol of American ingenuity, it's a testament to the power of branding, marketing, and the sheer force of human ambition. Yet it's a journey that's been marked by controversies. From allegations of labor rights abuses to health concerns, the company has faced its share of challenges. But in each instance, Coca-Cola has shown resilience, managing to navigate through these storms and emerge stronger. Today, Coca-Cola is more than just a soft drink, it's a cultural icon, a part of our collective memory. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of its taste and the power of its brand. Despite its controversial history, Coca-Cola remains a symbol of American innovation and resilience.